used to bathe often because they don't have any water.
So,
Hi, how are you?
hey, what's up?
Britt, why you keep adding these people and we having a conversation?
Because I felt like it, because that's the
That
same
is
way.
rude. That is disrespectful. Good
You
morning,
don't
Molly.
treat me with no fucking respect, so why the
You
fuck
are
should I
very
respect you?
beautiful.
Why would
That's
you
why
say
I
something?
tell me say that so. Because whether I'm on bed or not, that no concern that I pass. I know, maybe last night, when last you bed, probably same time. So you diss me, you diss yourself.
Brittany. Britt, I am looking out for the chickens, them, you know. I only ask you have a water problem because me have the same water problem what you have.
No, I don't
You're not
got a water
teaching them enough.
problem. I don't got a water problem.
You speak English?
No, me not chat English, Mali. Come down, Mali. Gonna your time. Mona, lift up out of my comment section. How are you? Hey,
One
girl.
more accept.
Eh?
One more.